we're trackside here, Valencia, Spain. Little vlog. I haven't done one of these in forever since the last time I traveled. We're all G2A'd up today. Look at this. We even got kitted out in the gear. We got the shirt. They gave me VIP track passes, so I'm on my way right now. And I'm excited for qualifying. We got the full battles going on tomorrow, but lots to do, lots to see. Got a nice little ride along with Ruben today. We're walking today. It's hot. It's like, I want to say it's about 27 out here, 27 degrees. It's just good vibes though. Great time here. Awesome meeting the people behind G2A as well too. Really great group of people. Super excited to be here. I'm hot, but tires are going ahead. Oh, ICRC setups. This looks sick. favorite Gran Turismo out of all the 7 that are launched?
I would say that my favorite one will be the Prologue for,
Oh wow,
for
okay.
5th one.
GT5, yeah. Last question, what would you rate this track on a scale of 1 to 10 for its difficulty level?
A 9.5.
9.5. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's wait a little later. Sabe lo que es correr el campeonato italiano. Vamos a ver qué tal lo hace en su primera pasada.